Since 1937, the world's top golfers have competed alongside celebrities and big shots of the sports and entertainment industry in Northern California. 72 years later, the tradition continues in Pebble Beach.
Welcome to PGA Tour Today, brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants.
The stunning Monterey Peninsula is known across the globe as the premier destination for lovers of the game. The AT&T Pebble Beach National Pro-Am, with roots dating to Bing Crosby and the Crosby Clam Bake, hosts the world's best players and celebrities for the 6th PGA Tour event of 2009. Hello, I'm Wynn McMurray. It's not every day stars from the fairways mingle with stars from the silver screen, and that's part of the charm of this week's event. The other comes from the spectacular views seen from one of the most well-known backdrops in the world of golf. Phil Mickelson has seen great success on the property, winning the event in 1998, 2005, and 2007. It is one of the 4 tour events that the California native has won 3 or more times. The tournament is played on 3 different courses over 4 days. Spyglass Hill is one of the tracks, and Mickelson shares the course record there for his 10 under 62 en route to his 2005 victory. Vijay Singh is also a past champion, taking home the title in 2004. He has 3 runner-up finishes in Pebble, including one a year ago when he lost in a playoff to Steve Lowry. After undergoing knee surgery in mid-January, the Fijian is back at it this week, hunting his 8th top 10. A number of other spotlight players are in the field, including the reigning British Open and PGA Championship winner Padraig Harrington. 2001 and 2003 winner Davis Love III is one of 9 multiple winners in tournament history. Jim Furyk is making his first start of the season. Winless last year for the first time since 2004, the Steelers fan finished 5th in the FedEx Cup standings. Speaking of fans, there will be a lot of them out this week. Look for celebrities like Justin Timberlake and Luke Wilson, professional surfer Kelly Slater, and actors Chris O'Donnell and Bill Murray. George Lopez will also be on hand for some laughs, alongside many more familiar faces from Hollywood. As every week on the PGA Tour, charity is at the heart of the tournament. Since 1947, more than $73 million have been generated through the Monterey Peninsula Foundation for youth, education, health and human services, the arts, and community and environmental programs. Fred Albers from the PGA Tour Network on Sirius XM Radio has an inside report on what to expect this week.
Oh, what a week we are in for. Hello, everyone. I'm Fred Albers, greenside at Pebble Beach, where come Sunday afternoon, a lucky player, a very talented player, will hoist the championship AT&T trophy. But the real stars of this week, besides the talented players on the PGA Tour and the celebrities that will participate in the Pro-Am, has to be the golf courses. Remember, a unique setting this year in that we have 3 different venues. The links here at Pebble Beach, Spyglass Hills, and of course Poppy Hills. We are expecting to don rain suits. That will make for some very challenging golf courses. The rough here is pure ryegrass. When ryegrass gets wet, it gets very clumpy, very juicy, difficult to hit out of. The greens may also get a little bumpy with a lot of foot traffic and moist conditions. What a week we are in for the AT&T Pebble Beach National Pro-Am. We begin our broadcast on Thursday on the PGA Tour Network, Sirius XM, Sirius 209, XM 146. We come to you live every day, noon Eastern Time.
Thanks, Fred. You can also tune in to coverage starting Thursday on the Golf Channel at 3 p.m. Eastern.
PGA Tour Today is brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants, delivering new thinking for a changing world.